Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up server side in Wixpa Google Tag Manager app. So for that, you have to click on setup. Here you can see server tagging URL is required. And now if I close it, you can see this is our GTM container ID. Now let's move to the Google Tag Manager account. This is the account that is attached in the application. Now I'm going to create a new container in it that will be for the server side. So click on create container. Write a container name here. Then you have to select the server option for the server side and click on create. You can see it is created. Now you will see two options: automatically provision tagging server and manually provision tagging server. If you are using Google Cloud server, you will have to select the automatically provision tagging server option. However, if you want to use any third-party server like Step, you will have to go with the manual option. As I'm using Google Cloud platform, I will select this automatically provision tagging server option. Here you have to select your billing account. My billing account is already set up. This will take 3 to 4 minutes and then your server will be created. You can see the server is created. Now let's refresh the page and click on clients. You can see GA4 is here and it's here by default. Now you have to click on admin and then on container settings. You can see here is the tagging URL that was required. So we have to copy this tagging URL and move to the app. Click on setup and paste the URL here. Now click on save. Now you have to download this file. Make sure you follow all the steps as it is in sequence, and don't forget this point, you have to choose merge, don't choose overwrite. I'm downloading the file. Now moving back to the Google Tag Manager, we have to click on import container. I told you that you have to choose the merge option. You can see you have to select merge, don't select overwrite. I have selected this. Then you have to choose the container file that you downloaded. Select it. Click on open and then on add to workspace. Click on clients. I told you that GA4 is here by default. Now you can see the new container is also here. Now we have to submit it. Write version name and click on publish. Now you are completely done with the server side setup. Make sure you must have the web and server container in the same GTM account. Now moving back to the application, let's check whether the server side is working perfectly or not. Move back to the Google Tag Manager. Make sure you do the preview from the web container. Click on versions. Click on these 3 dots and select preview. Now you have to click on connect. Let's see whether the page view event is triggered or not. Click on continue. You can see Wixpa Facebook page view event is triggered here. It means our server side is working perfectly. So this was all about the server side setup of Wixpa Google Tag Manager app. I hope now you have got the idea of how to set up it. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thanks for watching this video.